Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new 2021 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. As you'll see in the photos, this boat is equipped with the Quantum Blue hull sides. For power, we've set this boat up with the upgraded 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. You have a nice full swim platform across the transom, easy access to walk in and out of the boat. One of the great things about this boat being an outboard is the amount of storage space you get. Plenty of room for all of your beach chairs, extra coolers, and gear. This boat also comes equipped with a standard ski pylon. You have a nice full width bench seat across the back. Some storage underneath the seat that also has a drain built in, so you could use that as an onboard cooler as well. This boat is equipped with the Infinity woven carpet liner. At the helm, you have an individual bucket seat, your Fusion stereo, and this is the upgraded stereo, so you're going to get the subwoofer and amp. On the port side, this is outfitted with the bench seat option, and this seat here is removable and will flip and store right in this space if you just wanted one forward-facing seat there. On the port side, you have a lockable glove box, you have a windshield that closes, additional storage underneath the port side console. This boat does have the upgraded upholstery package, so you get the vinyl inlays. Has the stainless steel package, so you get the stainless steel grab handles and latches. Two nice big full lounges up here in the bow of the boat. This boat is also equipped with a black bimini top. That's a real quick look at our 2021 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. If you'd like to see this boat in person, stop down to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Ask for me, Dean Ashton. I'll be happy to help you out.